The next special type of integral that we are going to see is of the form integration of ax square plus bx plus c quadratic by linear root quadratic dx. So for example, 2x square plus 7x plus 11 quadratic by linear root quadratic. So this is the integral that we are going to solve. The technique is simple. So what we try to do is we try to express the numerator as some alpha times the linear that is given into the differentiation of the quadratic is 2x plus 4, some alpha times this plus beta times just the linear x plus 2 plus some gamma. We try to find these three terms alpha, beta, gamma by equating the coefficients. Equating the coefficients is also very simple. If you observe closely, so here the coefficient of x square is 2. What is the coefficient of x square here? You won't have any x square terms here. The coefficient of x square is 2 times alpha, because if you multiply this you get 2x square plus 8x plus 8 times alpha. So 2 is equal to 2 alpha implies alpha equal to 1. You got the first unknown. Next, what is the coefficient of x here? 7 is equal to 8 alpha plus beta. 8 alpha is the coefficient of x in the first term, beta is the coefficient of x in the second term. So alpha is already equal to 1, so beta is equal to minus 1. Next, let us compare the constant term. 11 is equal to 8 alpha plus 2 beta plus gamma. 8 alpha plus 2 beta plus gamma. Alpha and beta are known to you, so this implies 11 is equal to 8 alpha is 8, 2 beta is beta equal to minus 1, so 2 beta is minus 2 plus gamma. So this implies gamma is equal to 11 minus 6, which is equal to 5. So alpha, beta, gamma are obtained. So now what is integration of 2x square plus 7x plus 11 by x plus 2 into root of x square plus 4x plus 8 dx? This becomes, so now this has become alpha times this plus beta times this plus gamma times. So alpha times x plus 2 into 2x plus 4 by this, x plus 2 and x plus 2 gets cancelled. So integration of 2x plus 4 by root of x square plus 4x plus 8 dx. Next, plus beta times integration of x plus 2 by this, x plus 2 and x plus 2 gets cancelled, dx by root of x square plus 4x plus 8 plus gamma times integration of 1 by x plus 2 times root of x square plus 4x plus 8 dx. Now this integration is very simple. It is nothing but alpha times you have d by dx of a function by root of function. So f of x whole power minus 1 by 2 into f dash x dx. So f of x whole power 1 by 2 by 1 by 2, that is 2 root x square plus 4x plus 8 plus beta times is 1 by square root of quadratic, method of completion of squares, dx by root of x plus 2 whole square plus 2 square. So dx by root of x square plus a square. So this becomes beta times 1 by 2a, 1 by 2a, that is 1 by 2 into 2 log mod 2 plus x plus 2 by 2 minus of x plus 2. So this is also very easy to simplify, and this becomes plus gamma times integration of 1 by x plus 2 times root of x square plus 4x plus 8. This comes under 1 by linear root quadratic. So what is the substitution? X plus 2 is equal to 1 by t. So if you put this substitution and go forward, this integral can be solved like we have solved the previous one. So whenever you have quadratic by linear root quadratic, this is the process that you need to follow. Say essay question, but if you systematically solve this, you get the answer.